To assist those who are concerned that they have coronavirus, G Health Enterprises has created a way to reach out to our triage nurses through our 3 apps: our G-Bon app, our Urban Family Practice app, and our Jabako app. These apps can be downloaded for free on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. However, if what you are experiencing is severe constant chest pain or pressure, extreme difficulty breathing, severe constant lightheadedness, or serious disorientation or unresponsiveness, what you're experiencing might be an emergency and you should call 911. After opening up one of these apps, the COVID-19 survey will appear in the topmost row of the buttons. Clicking on that button will bring you to the survey. On this page, fill out the following fields: first name and last name, date of birth, your medicated CIN number if appropriate. Check off any symptoms of coronavirus that you may be experiencing. Next, check off any conditions that you may have, or select none of the above. Let our nurses know if in the last 14 days you have traveled internationally, if you visited an area where COVID-19 is widespread in the last 14 days, if you live in an area where COVID-19 is widespread, if you've been exposed to someone at risk, and if you live or work in a care facility. For those of you with a thermometer, take your temperature and submit it here. To ensure that our triage nurses can reach you, enter your phone number and your email. After all fields have been completed, submit your form, and one of our triage nurses will be in touch with you within 24 hours.